Hi, my name is Dale Guiducci. I'm with ERA Credit Services right here in San Diego. And if you're on the internet, you're taking a look, you're Googling, you're trying to find out different credit repair companies, it's going to be a great video for you to watch. First of all, why do I have any kind of credibility to be able to advise you on credit repair? Well, we started our credit repair agency, ERA Credit Services, again, right here in San Diego 6.5 years ago. And in that time period, we've helped over 1,000 people increase their credit score. So we've got some experience. We know what's out there. And here's some tips for you. First of all, when you're looking for a credit repair company, the one thing that is so important for you to ask the question is, does that company that you're talking to, do they go after, using federal law as fast as possible, all the negative items on your credit report, or do they what I like to call a drip campaign? Do they do one or two every 60 days and kind of string it out? And you might say, well, why would people do that? And I just know that it's a standard practice in our industry where companies do string it out, and it's only because they want to charge you more monthly fees. First of all, we don't do business that way. If you've got 2 items, 22 items, 62 items, it doesn't matter. We're going to be very aggressive. We're going to get you the highest credit score we possibly can in the quickest amount of time frame allowed by federal law, because everything we do is governed by federal law. Everything in the credit restoration industry is governed by the Federal Trade Commission. So there are stipulations, but we're going to use that law and streamline it as soon and get those items off as soon as we possibly can for you. So that's a big differentiator right there. So if you're talking to other credit repair companies, ask them that question. Another question to ask: do they have other services and other ways that they can help you increase your credit score? Because everybody knows about credit repair, or they know the term, and they think that's the know-all, end-all, be-all for increasing your credit score, and it's not. It's one thing that can be done. It's very effective, but it's only one thing. Most companies, that's all that they do. We have a lot of other ways that we can help you increase your credit score. You're going to get an online portal with us outlining all these different ways with video tutorials that you can watch and see what these other methodologies are to help you increase your credit score. We're going to make recommendations to you, things that maybe you can do based on your personal situation as to what you can do to help increase your credit score. We're going to give you online credit monitoring so you can monitor your credit score. We're going to give you identity theft protection right away. It's all packaged into one, very affordable price for our credit repair service. This isn't add-ons and extras. This all comes in a package. You might say, well, why would we give you identity theft protection? Because it's so important that if you're going through the process of trying to increase your credit score, that we do protect your identity so nobody steals it and in effect ruins your credit score while we're trying to increase it. And by the way, the higher your credit score is, the bigger target you are for identity thieves. Let me share. Identity thieves don't want to steal people's identity that have a 500 credit score. They can't do anything with that. But you get up into that 700 range, now they can do a lot with it, and we've got to protect it. So we help you with that. We have an opportunity where we could take a renter's on-time rental history, a renter of a home, a renter of an apartment, and put it on their TransUnion credit report. Why? What would that do? Well, it's another positive trade line or positive account we can put on their credit report, thus increasing their credit score. We're going to help you with debt reduction. Why? Because if we can lower the amount of debt per the debt limit that you have on credit cards and other accounts, that's going to lower your debt utilization score, which is going to increase your credit score. So, and there's a number of other things that we do to help you. So just, if you're talking to a credit repair company, ask them if they have all of that. And then ask them if they have a customer satisfaction guarantee, which we do, and an online portal so you can monitor everything within the progress of your credit restoration service. So we've got a lot to offer. Now you might say, well, what do you charge for all this, right? Well, it's very simple. It's a one-time $99 activation fee, and then your first payment of $89, so it's $188 to get started, and then just $89 a month thereafter. Now, the next question you might ask is, well, how long does all this take? And I really can't answer that question for you, only because I don't know your particular situation. In other words, I don't know how many negative items you have. I don't know Who are your creditors that we're going to be working with? Are they open accounts, closed accounts? Are they charge-offs? All of those things are major factors in determining how long it might take. Here's what I will tell you. Some of our clients, it takes about 60 days, 45 to 60 days. Other clients, it takes up to a year, again, based on their situation, and our average client is about 5 to 6 months. So here's what we want to do. We want to talk with you. We've got to talk with you, and we've got to figure out what's going on with you, because credit repair is like a fingerprint. It's different for everybody. So we got to talk with you. So do this. Go to our website. It's eracreditservices.com/credit-repair. So eracreditservices.com/credit-repair, or just go to eracreditservices.com and click on credit repair. It's the same page. And there's a short little video that you can watch if you want. But more importantly, right next to that, it says book a phone appointment. Book a phone appointment. Go ahead and book a phone appointment at a day and time that you're available. It takes about 20 minutes. Takes about 20 minutes for the phone call, so make sure you've got that kind of time. It's going to go right on our calendar, and we will call you at the number you designate at that time, and we'll tell you everything. First of all, we'll find out about you. We'll tell you how it all works. We'll explain how credit repair works. You're going to understand a little bit about federal law. We're going to educate you, and then we're going to tell you what our price is and how we work, and then you can make an informed decision from there. So is it going to cost you a few $100s to increase your credit score? Yes, but so you have to be serious. But are you serious about buying that house? Are you serious about lowering the amount of interest that you pay on your debt so that you can start saving money for a house or a car or a vacation? You got to be serious. But if you are, we're the fastest, most effective service in the industry, not just in San Diego, but in the country today. And we will talk with you and we'll explain it all to you. We do look forward to talking to you. Go book that phone appointment and let's talk and see what we can do to help increase your credit score. Have yourself a great rest of your day.